I'm Kim.
I'm Max.
Brim.
Nice chat.
Let's chat about tomorrow. You gonna sleep in until noon?
Not tomorrow. I have the past 2 days.
Yeah. I have to go help Grandmama tomorrow.
Yep.
Take her to Fred Meyer so she can buy some plants, some fuchsias, and some tomatoes.
Yep.
Yep. Doesn't fit me that great. Well, probably because I have a ponytail, kind of a bun. This doesn't have a. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's fun.
Yep.
Well,
Yep.
I guess we don't have anything to talk about. What did we talk about in this video?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. That's right. Boy, it's been a minute and I already forgot. I think that's a sign of getting old. All right.
You already had much more signs a long time ago.
Like what?
50.
Yeah. I'm over 50. I'm already up the hill, on my way down. He already told me that. When I get up, I make noises. Yeah. Everything hurts. Yeah. Can't see.
Yeah, this is how you get up.
Sounds like you're pooping.
Yeah. That's what it sounds like for you.
All right.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.